Today we're on the beautiful private island of Half Moon Cay, and I just want to show you around, let you see the beach, the food area, and some of the cabanas that are for rent. So let's take a little tour of Half Moon Cay. So they do have some shops that you can do some like local shopping at, and then they have this bar that is, I wish I could stay here forever. Centrally located to the very beginning of the beach. You can see the ship in the background there. So we did come out right when we got here, so you can see there's a little bit of shade at the beginning, but toward the middle of the day it is full sunshine, and there are no umbrellas that are free here like at Celebration Cay. But you do have some day beds, some cabanas. There's some two-story cabanas. These are all available for rent, and then you can also rent some umbrella for some shade as well. The beach is so beautiful. There are a lot of chairs stacked on top of each other. There was not a lot of room in between because they were doing some construction, so they had some green walls up, some fencing up. So they had stacked the chairs pretty close together, and there was not a lot of walkway in between each row of chairs. They do have some wheelchairs that are available with the bigger wheels, so you can go down to the beach area. And the water was absolutely beautiful, and we were here in October, and the water was very warm. So this is a tender port, and it doesn't seem to be a long tender to get over here to the island. But when you first come in, this is what you'll see. You'll see lots of umbrellas with some chairs for sitting. And then you do have the walkway path that will take you to the beach. So it is a little bit of walk to get to the beach. And we were just looking for the sign that said, "I wish we could stay here forever," and that's how we gained access to the beach. You also pass this beautiful little church, which they have stated people do get married here and they renew their vows in this beautiful little church here on the island. And then you'll also pass a little sports area. They have some basketball for if you have the active people with you that may want to play some sports. Also wanted to show you where you would go to get lunch. So lunch is provided by Carnival. It's just your regular fare that you would expect. The grill, from the hamburgers to the hot dogs to some pulled pork, along with some salads and desserts. But this is a little area. There was plenty of seating for if you want to just grab some lunch and go sit down at a picnic table. It is a shaded area. Here's the menu of what they were serving for the day, and then you have your little drink station where you can grab your water, and I believe there were lemonade available as well. But this is just the little area where you can grab the food, or you can take it back to your chair on the beach if you would rather do that. So you can see a little bit of the desserts that were available, and then here is your island fare with your hamburgers and hot dogs, and then a few salad choices. And if you didn't want to go too far to get your drinks, they did have the Bacardi wagon that would drive up and down the beach for you. There's also a lobster shack that is at an additional cost. It is very similar to the seafood shack that is on board the ship. And then we're on the tender boat ride back to the ship. You can see how beautiful Half Moon Cay is. It's a really nice private destination for Carnival. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, please hit that like button, and I would love to see you back in a future video.